Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. My name's Hunter if you're new here. I have Dean back there loading up his canoe, and we're gonna be doing some bass fishing today. We're at one of his ponds that he says every time they come here, they show me pictures that they get 10, 20 largemouth bass at once. So I have no doubt that we will catch some fish today. Just got a couple rods. We're loading up and we'll be getting out there. Okay, it's actually the night before and we're just getting ready for tomorrow morning. So this is some of the baits we're gonna be using tomorrow. We're gonna use these soft plastic lizards, and we're gonna use some of these tails. We're gonna swim some largemouth bass tomorrow, so let's do it. I'll be fishing with Dean today. You guys should remember him from any of the hookah dive videos or any of the times we went out on the flats boat. That's the main plan for this morning, but towards the end of the video, who knows, and we'll see what happens.
You wanna go in through the bottom, once you go right into the nose, and go down and come out, and then this just goes right in there and makes it weedless. When the weight drops, your bait drops. Everybody, you want to make them as realistic as possible. Seeing, you know what I'm saying?
What do we got here?
Huh? What's that?
Knife. This pond water is actually pretty clear.
Yeah, oh, it's crystal clear.
All right, guys, we're on the boat. Time to start fishing. Yeah, right away there.
Yep, that's what I'm talking about. He's on there, right?
No.
You got it.
I don't think he was on.
Alright, I think I might have a bite.
Yeah, we got something on. Whoa. First fish of the day. All right, guys, Dean got the first fish of the day. Little bass.
Yep, there you go. That's the shot you want.
Had a bite.
Got a bite? Alright, let me come up real hard.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Well, tiny one.
Yeah.
Better than nothing. Get a little throwback shot.
Yeah.
See ya, man. There you go. He just needed a second. All right, guys, I wasn't recording, but we just did catch another little fish. My bad on that. Caught her up in this little cut in between these bushes. See you, man.
All right, you're in the weeds. Well, just come through the weeds. Oh, you got fish on it.
Oh, do I? Oh, I can't even see.
You did.
That sun was right in my eyes. It was a small one, I think. Did you see it?
Here, let me see your work.
I wonder how the camera picked that up, because I couldn't see with my sunglasses on. That sun is right there. And I'm sorry if you guys couldn't see, because I know the sun is directly in our eyes right here. But all the bass like to hang around the bank of the pond, so that's what we're fishing today.
You see all the bait? There's some bait.
We caught a few fish on the lizard, so we're gonna try up one of Dean's blue worms.
You moved one right there.
Oh, I got one.
Let me. Open your belt. Get him.
There we go. Oh,
You
man.
got it. You didn't let me eat long enough. All right, move on down the line a little bit.
There we go.
Lay me. Eat now.
There we go.
Yep, there you go.
Got something.
Now
It's a little
talking.
bigger too.
Love it. Yep.
There we
That's
go.
a nicer fish.
Much nicer fish. Not too big still, but can't complain. Got a largemouth. Let's get that hook out. I'm glad I have so many GoPro batteries. There we go. Got one.
All right.
Let's go. He's going
Good
out
one.
there.
Yep.
Come on, man. Get in the boat. There we go.
Yep. That's what I'm talking about.
There's actually a lot of bass in this pond. About every cast I get a bite, so we're having fun. Oh, where am I? There we go. Got something, I think.
You're all right.
Yeah, I am.
Rockfish.
I don't know. I think I got a fish.
Huh? Oh yeah?
Yeah, no, I got a fish. When you think a fish is a rock. Yep, I did. Probably the nicest one yet.
Yeah.
Dean thought it was a rock, but
That is a nice one, yeah.
not a bad fish.
Yeah, is it? Are you on it?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It's a tiny guy.
Little fish.
See you, man. Oh, pretty deep over here.
Oh, yeah. This lake's probably 40, 50 feet deep in the middle. Yep, there you go. Bring it out of that edge and she looked like one was trying to hit it right there.
Yep.
Bite?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, man. Oh, right at the very end. Got a perfect hook on him.
He hit it.
See you. Can you guys see that gar right there?
Yeah, I see him.
Pretty cool looking. Give you guys an
Hooked him in
underwater
the
shot.
eyeball.
There we go.
There you go. Yeah. Look how clean they are.
I know, they're
See how
beautiful.
white their bellies are?
Yep.
These fish are just so clean. Oh yeah.
Another one. I literally took the GoPro off right when we caught him.
That's the mistake.
All right, guys, Dean got the first fish of the day.
Yeah.
Much nicer fish. Okay, guys, so we're just wrapping up the day. Me and Dean caught a bunch of fish today. This is a great spot to fish. No huge monster fish, but we did catch them in numbers. Oh, there's a big gar right down there. All right, if you guys want to see us come back out here and go bass fishing again, drop 200 likes on this video and we'll make sure that happens. And until the next time, peace.